In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Blockdag using Trust Wallet. This straightforward guide will help you navigate through the process, ensuring that you can purchase Blockdag with ease, whether you're on a mobile device or using your laptop. First, let's dive into using the Trust Wallet app. Begin by opening Trust Wallet on your smartphone. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface displaying features like send, swap, fund, and sell, along with a list of the tokens you hold. To start the process of buying Blockdag, locate the Discover icon, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tapping on Discover allows you to search for Blockdag. After you enter Blockdag, it will take you directly to its website. Once there, a crucial step awaits, making sure your wallet is connected. Why is this important? Connecting your Trust Wallet ensures that transactions are securely made from your account, safeguarding your assets and making the purchase process seamless. Follow the prompts to complete this connection within the website interface. Now, let's shift gears. Suppose you're using a computer instead. In that case, you'll start by opening your preferred web browser. Head directly to the Blockdag website. Once there, you need to connect your Trust Wallet. This connection mirrors the security and efficiency you'd enjoy using a mobile device, ensuring that your laptop allows the same seamless transactions. Now, both on mobile and laptop, you're ready to select the cryptocurrency you'll use for your purchase. You can choose from a variety of cryptos, including Ethereum, USDT, BNB, and several others. After selecting your preferred cryptocurrency, enter the specific amount you'd like to use for your transaction. Carefully verify the details to ensure accuracy, as the speed and irreversible nature of blockchain transactions mean you'll want everything correct before proceeding. Once you've confirmed everything looks right, click on Buy. Having reached this point, you've effectively initiated the purchase. The transaction is underway, and your new Blockdag holdings will soon appear in your Trust Wallet. Remember that completion times can vary based on the network traffic and the specific currency you chose, but Trust Wallet will notify you once the purchase is finalized. And there you have it. You've successfully purchased Blockdag using Trust Wallet. As you become more familiar with this process, you'll find it increasingly straightforward to manage and invest in different digital currencies. Always ensure you're using secure networks and keeping your wallet information private. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful guides to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrency with confidence and ease.